In Sunflower Valley, joy bursts from every corner as Ayyan sprints through the vibrant village, his laughter echoing amidst the cheerful chaos. Ayyan grabs a ball from another child, his laughter ringing out. Taha struggles with the kite, her frustration growing. Ayyan shouts impatiently, then snatches the kite. Taha walks away, her disappointment evident. Oblivious, Ayyan fails to launch the kite, his efforts fruitless. In Grandma's cozy living room, the aroma of baking cookies fills the air as Ayyan sits beside his wise grandma, his distress evident. Grandma, with a twinkle in her eye, leans towards Ayyan, ready to share a secret. Grandma reveals the magic words, "Please, thank you, and sorry." With a warm smile, Grandma elaborates. "Let's say I have these delicious cookies and I want to share them with you." Ayyan approaches Taha, who is sitting alone in the park. "Taha, can I please help you with your kite?" Ayyan asks, his voice full of sincerity. Taha's face lights up with gratitude. "Sure, thank you, Ayyan." As they work together, Ayyan whispers, "Sorry, Abdullah." In the heart of Sunflower Valley, Ayyan is surrounded by his friends, their laughter echoing through the fields. Ayyan helps his friend, showing consideration. Ayyan and Grandma smile at each other, sharing a knowing look. In the radiant Sunflower Valley, Ayyan, his face softened with kindness, notices a child's struggle. "Here, let me help you," Ayyan offers, his voice gentle and reassuring. "Please tell me if this is the one you wanted." The child's face lights up with relief and gratitude. "Thank you."